HighLevel can do just about everything for your business. Everything from funnels to automations, running email campaigns, and of course AI. But you know what? It's missing one thing: an effective task management system. GHL Plugins project management system can do this for you. It is that one extra component that you need to run your agency effectively, creating projects and tickets for yourself and for your clients. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install it and how to use it. Let's get started. And I'm going to grab the custom menu link. This is what's going to add it to all the sub accounts. I'll click copy. I'll go back to the settings area of my agency. And then I'm going to create one called support requests. As you can see, I already built one in here, but I'd click the pencil. I put in the information. I'd make sure that I pasted the URL correctly, made sure it was in an iframe, and then hit save. Don't forget to have it in all the accounts. Now let's see this in action. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to log in as a different user. I'll type in the name of my VA and I'll choose a test account. From the test account, I'll go down on the left-hand side and I'll put in a support request. On the right-hand side, they can add a request right here, and I'll select the category. If I click on fulfillment and I put in the title, I'll choose the subcategory that I want a person to work in. And as you can see, I have the description of the task and the ability to upload a file for it. So I'll just enter in information here, and then I'll upload a file. And then I'll hit submit. And my task has been created. Next, I'll put in a request for customer service. I'll hit add request, customer service. I'm just going to put something like onboarding question. I'll select the onboarding category. Information goes here, or question goes here, anything like that. And then I'll scroll down and click submit. And we've entered in two different requests. Now that I've added these two tasks, I want to see them on the other side. So I'm going to switch back to my account. Next, from my agency account, I'll go down to Agency Support System, and I'll open up the Agency Support Project. And as you can see, I see both of those tasks right here. I can click on them and read the information that is there. The first one is just a basic task. It has the information, which account it's come from. I can also see that with the pike right here. Seeing that information, it says base snapshot because this is a test account, but I would know which client it came from based on the information I had on the title. I can see who asked for it. I can see a start and due date if it was available. I can scroll down and see a priority. We can set a schedule on it. And I can see any files that are included in this. I can then close it. Now, all the while this is going on, I'm also receiving emails about the task, any comments that are made, or who it's been assigned to, or when I've received one and who sent it to me. And then I can use it like any other task management system. When it's ready to go into progress, I'm going to move it over to in progress. That's going to send an email to the client letting them know it's in progress. And then when it's ready for review, it would go into review. And then from review into complete, where it's finally done. And then if you go into the test account, and you scroll down to the support request, you'll see that the client sees it's completed also. And that's how you use the project management system inside of HighLevel Plugins. This is one of my favorite tools of GHL Plugins. It's really the missing piece that every high-level agency needs. I'll see you in the next video.